Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about DogWifHat. Okay, we're going to be breaking this down from a fundamental perspective, looking at this asset and looking at the chart to see where this could be potentially going here over the next couple of days, weeks, months or so. And it's actually a very important week here with the elections coming through. This is going to drastically affect the price of this meme coin. Yes, it's only at a $2 billion market cap, but an asset, even at this sort of low market cap, does have the potential to dump a significant amount if the markets do take a pullback. Okay, and Bitcoin obviously being very, very high here, up around that $69,000 level, with Bitcoin dominance sat around 60% here. If Bitcoin takes a pullback, which is very, very likely in terms of a sell the news event, DogWifHat will get hit hard. I'm talking maybe 5, 10, maybe even 20% here. So we are going to be dissecting that into the chart and seeing sort of levels that we can really be looking out for here, and how we can actually profit from this, whether we're trading this from a futures perspective or even a spot perspective. Okay, so let's break this down together. So you can see the market cap for DogWifHat at the moment is a $2 billion market cap, and you can see over the last day they have had a roughly around a 1.71% reduction in the price, bringing it down near enough 2% there. And you can see here on the 7-day, it's actually brutally down 22%. Okay, so yeah, it would have been a $2.4 billion market cap, and now it's down 22%. So not great here. Okay, so it's looking pretty bit of a bloodbath here. But isn't the rest of crypto? Everything's sort of dumping right now. So what can you sort of expect here, especially with Bitcoin doing what it's doing? So it's not out of the ordinary for us to see something like this. It's actually quite common when Bitcoin is pulling back, and it's very likely to see meme coins doing the same thing. Whether it is 20 or 30% is another question. These lower cap memes tend to usually move quite heavily. They move quite heavy when Bitcoin does pull back, especially in the state of the market right now. So it's quite likely that we are going to see a bit more of a bloodbath. Okay, so let's go into the DogWifHat chart here, and let's break down what we could potentially be looking at and where we could be looking at. Okay, before we do that, I just want to talk to you quickly about Pepe Unchained. It's a layer 2 based protocol, guys. They're in a pre-sale phase. They've near enough raised $25 million. Crazy stuff. And what they've done, they've built their own layer 2 chain here, where meme coins are going to be built. This is the goal for this blockchain. It's a new layer 2 based blockchain built on Ethereum, but because it's layer 2, it's like base chain, guys. It'll basically be it'll be compatible with MetaMask and all these other Web3 wallets, but you get lower transaction fees, higher volume capacity, and it's also going to be 100 times faster than Ethereum. Okay, you also have a dedicated blockchain explorer like Etherscan or SolScan. Okay, so the real USP here, the unique selling point, is that Pepe has its own blockchain. That's huge for the crypto space, and the fact that they've raised near enough $25 million. This thing is destined to explode. Okay, if you guys want to get involved with this pre-sale, you can. All the links are in the description. You can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, even your Visa or MasterCard, and you can also get involved with BNB as well. I'll leave the links in the description for you guys to go check it out. Let's go over to the WIF chart now. Let's talk about what we are eyeing up and how we can basically play these elections to our advantage here. Now, very simple, looking at this chart, last time we spoke about WIF, we actually predicted a move to the downside worth around 15%. That has come into fruition here. Really nice, well done to everyone who got involved with that, and that was quite a nice clean position here, and we are bouncing quite nicely off the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement area. Okay, bounced off that quite cleanly, to say the least. But we did actually break this this micro higher low here to the downside. Okay, so that does sort of indicate further downside, unfortunately. And with that being said, it's sort of expected here with the elections, guys. It's going to be a sell the news event, in my opinion, and I do expect DogWifHat to sort of take a hit here. Okay, now how low could this go? That's a great question. It could even hit August lows. If it hits August lows, then it is going to be a big dump in the price, probably 46%. I don't see it going that low. I think we'll get bought up before then. So probably the safe bet is probably around 24% to the downside, and bouncing off this all-time high trend line that you can see coming down like so, and it'll just basically be classed as a lovely retest. Okay, so if this does happen, we'll probably look something along the lines of this, and then that, And then this right here is going to be our buying zone. Okay, this is the buy zone that we're going to be eyeing up, bouncing off the Fibonacci, bouncing off that trend line from the all-time high there, and basically capitalizing on that to the upside. Okay, so that is going to be a lovely, lovely DCA, even worth around 20-22% there. Very, very easy trade in my opinion. Keep your eyes peeled for it, guys. That's what I think of DogWifHat. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Drop a little like if you enjoyed this content as well. And that's going to be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.